Hey guys, today I want to talk about one way you can make your small kitchen feel larger. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we're standing in a kitchen we just finished renovating, and there used to be a wall that divided the kitchen from this living area in front of it. And the kitchen overall was very segregated from the space, but felt quite small. The kitchen still doesn't have a ton of cabinetry. It's not a large kitchen, but it really has a fantastic layout now. It feels much more open, and that was achieved by removing this wall that separated this kitchen from the space across from it. So now we have a nice large peninsula. We did have to modify a bearing wall, so you can see we have a beam above, and that's not necessarily a deal breaker within having a nice open design. The beam is a necessary aspect of modifying the bearing wall. In this case, we couldn't hide the beam, but it's still done in a way that the space is now connected to the room around it. And this peninsula really gives for more workspace, a bar on the other side. And while we don't have a ton of cabinetry, there's a lot of storage here, both in the back side of the peninsula and within the layout of the cabinets around us, which makes this small space really efficient and remarkable, both in looks, features, and function. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.